Afternoon. I know, it's like 3:30. I usually don't get on 3:30. Okay. I can't wait to show you guys this. So excited. This is not a Senegence thing. Although, I do want to say, this video is going to be going on my beach channel, because this is a very beachy video. However, for those of you, just because we were talking about this earlier, I would love to do a lip color day. So if anybody's into that, and you're like, yeah, I want to participate, okay, let me know your thoughts. We can do like, pick a day, like every, every Wednesday, since today is Wednesday, we could do like every Wednesday as like a lip color day. And then Tuesday night, like we decide, what color, somebody nominates a color or a combo. And then like Wednesday, we all post selfies of us wearing the color, because Cindy started out this morning and she was wearing violet. I love violet. So I'm like, oh gosh, I should wear violet too. And Patty wore it today, and Susan wore it today, and Lori, did you wear it today too? Hey, Kathy, happy belated birthday. I did wish you a happy birthday on your birthday, I think, on Liz's post, but I want to wish you a happy birthday again. So anyway, let me know if you guys are up for that. This has been on all day. I had a client earlier, so I did her brows, and even with my mask, I wear a medical mask, and even with that on, it doesn't smear, it doesn't come off, it's amazing. And I want to show you guys, because I showed you Juicy Cherry last night, and then I want to show you Strawberry right now. So just to show you what it can do, I have not reglossed at all. So I put this on this morning at probably 8 o'clock, 8:30, and it's like 3:30 now. So I've gotten great wear. It's totally fine. It's not fading. It's not my waterline. My waterline's okay, but I haven't glossed at all. And I've eaten a lot too. Okay. So this is Strawberry, and then I'm going to get to it. So this is good because I'm giving some people time to jump on. All right, look. Look how pretty. That just brightened it up. Can you see? Super simple. These are high pigmented glosses. Look how pretty. Just putting a gloss over top. Strawberry. If you guys don't have Strawberry, I'm telling you, get it. Okay, are you ready? Who's jumping on? Say hello. Hello. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm going to give you a little bit of TMI, probably information that you really don't care, but I have to preface this because the first thing you guys are going to ask me is, where can I get one? And I'm going to tell you, I don't know. Okay, I know this is really mean because I'm going to show you something amazing and then I can't even tell you where to get it. But I'm going to do research and I'm going to try to find out. And the minute I find out, I will let you know. But don't ask me, where can I get one? Because I don't know yet. So, for those of you who know, I'm on keto diet. I'm not a huge fan of keto, but it was prescribed for me, to me by my doctor. I'm on day 2, so it's not like I'm heavy into this yet. But I am doing really well. So if you're on keto, let me know. I'm considering doing an accountability group for those of us on keto, so we can all kind of exchange notes and stuff, because it is really tough. Anytime you do a nutrition plan, a lifestyle change, it's really hard to keep up with it. So if you are on keto and you are interested, let me know. Hey, Jessica. Hey, Tammy, wait till you see this. Jessica and Tammy, you guys are gonna die. Kathy, you too. Okay, so I'm on keto diet. The reason is because my hormones are out of whack. I know, y'all are like, I don't need to know that, but my body is not producing enough or the right amount of hormones. It's really not producing any hormones. So I am on hormone replacement, which is wonderful. God love my husband for dealing with me lately. But it came from a compounding pharmacy, okay? And it comes in little ice cubes that I have to put, hold on, I have one in my mouth, like that, okay? And it dissolves in my mouth, okay? The ice cube tray, I took the labels off because it had all my medical information, looks like this. And you guys are probably like, I don't even know why you're even showing us this little ice cube tray container. This is a TINIES shadow box, you guys, and I'm gonna show you. So I have a bunch of TINIES. Oh yes, I told you this was beach related. Y'all pay attention. Okay, so I'm going to show you, because I haven't actually tried this yet, but it was just in my mind, and this was my last one, so now I have this empty tray. So you can take, drop these little things, a little tiny, look at this little scallop. It's like so perfect and cute. And you can put it in like that. Oh my God. You guys, like seriously, I'm incredibly excited. Let me see what else I have that I think will fit in here. Like, isn't that the cutest little thing? Oh, look at this. Hold on, I think this one's too big. Let me see if this is too big. Yeah, this one's too big. I had a little bittersweet, but it's just a little bit too big. Hey, Kathy, how are you? Okay, let's see if I have anything other than just orange scallops to put in here. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so hold on, I need 2 hands here. Oh, here's a little, call them hats, but they're limpets, if you call them limpets. Look, oop, uh-oh. We got limp it down, hold on. Okay, I'm trying to show you this. I should probably put this like down and move my phone, but okay, look at that. And it fits like right in there. Now here's the fun thing, right? I close this like this. Oops, my little limpet's falling. Hold on, it's not cooperating. Let me get in there, there we go, okay. Look how cute to like store your little tiny shells. I know, right? And like the little teeny shells, so like I don't know. I don't think I have any like teeny tiny shells in here. Do I? What do I have? Oh, for those of you who like petal talons, the pink petal talons, look at this one. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Hold on. It's gonna fall and I don't know how to hold it up. Can you guys even see how small it is? It's so cute and it's so tiny. Okay, so we're gonna put that one in there for sure. And you could like glue them in too, right? Like they're so cute because I'm always wondering like, what do I do to like display all these little teeny tiny shells that I have? I mean, they're absolutely like so small. I'm gonna put this one in here. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put a couple in and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Put another orange one over here. Got a lot of scallops. I'm gonna see if I can squeeze this bittersweet in there. Will it fit? No, it won't fit. It's just a little bit too big. Oh, here's a smaller one. Okay, look how cute. Hold on, let me close it. Can you guys see? I know there's a glare. Hold on. Can you guys see how cute this is? It's like, right? Isn't it so cute, Kathy? I'm dying right now. So it's like a little shadow box, but you don't have to like use it as a shadow box. I mean, I was just thinking along the lines of like storing things in there. Sorry, somebody's calling me and I'm very, very busy right now. Definitely busy. Okay, let's see. What else do I have in here? I've got so many scallops. Oh, you know what else I like? Oh, here's a little, let's see if this one will fit. Nope, that's too big. These are kind of my like, these aren't my tinies. These are kind of my minis. Okay, so here's like a little calico scallop in there. I don't want it to all fall out. So anyway, I am going to try, I promise, I'm going to try to find where I can get some of these and let you guys know. Because I think that I don't even know what you call them. Hormone ice cube trays. I don't know. Okay, here, I'm going to do one more and I'm going to put in here. Oh, and you know what? These little things, these little cat's eyes. I call them cat's eyes. Can you guys see the little operculums for turbo shells? I know it's really hard to, you're probably not gonna be able to see it, but they're flat on one side and then rounded on the other. So that would be like really cute to like put a bunch in one little square. Okay, I'm gonna do another scallop and here I'm gonna show you guys. Close the little ice cube tray up. I know you guys can't really see. Hold on. I'm gonna do this. Okay. We're gonna do this so you guys can see. Look how cute. Is that not like the cutest? Seriously, you guys. Hey, Pauline, check this out. Is this not the cutest little tinies shadow box like in the whole world? Isn't it so cute? I think it's so cute. Okay. Let me flip you back around. Ooh. my kit and everything. Okay, so I just had to show you guys because I was so excited. And of course, that's the first thing that my brain went to, was like a perfect little container for all my little tiny shells. So get excited because I'm going to try really hard to find out where I can get a bunch of these just empty. Otherwise, we're gonna have to wait a few months and I'll rack them up as I go through my hormone replacement. Isn't it so cute? Okay, do not go, listen y'all, do not go to your doctor and say, Laura Manson told me that I need to be on hormone replacement because you want these little things. Okay, it doesn't work like that. And I am gonna try to find out what these are even called and where I can pick them up because I am obsessed and they're just so cute. Okay. That's all I wanted to say. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Let me know what you think about the lip color day. If you want to do like Wednesday, or we could do every day. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. Whatever you think. Okay? All right. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.